Alright guys, back to the do now. I did on the previous video, I made the do now video for Tuesdays and Wednesdays on customary metric measurements. Now this is the last one. This is Thursdays. So it says solve the following using a one chart. The hostess of a party is making punch to serve at a wedding. The punch is served in 1 cup serving sizes. If she makes 15 gallons of punch, then how many people can she serve? So here we are comparing cups to gallons. So let's go and create ourselves a one chart. Cups and gallons. Okay, on the previous video, we looked at our star chart and we were trying to figure out how many cups would fit into a gallon. And we said all we did was do 2 times 2 and got 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And I said I was going to make a picture that a lot of students saw in elementary. So here's the picture that people saw in elementary. Here's their big gallon. So this is a gallon. Inside the gallon there are 4 quarts. So there's a quart, there's a quart, there's a quart, there's a quart. Inside each quart was 2 pints. So here's a pint, 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 and here's a pint. Inside each pint was 2 cups. So there's 2 cups in there, 2 cups in there, 2 cups, 2 cups, 2 cups, 2 cups. Again, 2 cups in every pint. So if we add up how many cups we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 cups fit into a gallon. Now I know this picture is not quite the same as what some of y'all saw in elementary, but I think y'all get the gist of what I was doing. It's not that bad. I should be an art teacher now. I can do art. Alright, so we're trying to figure out how many cups will fit into 15 gallons. So to go from 1 to 15, you multiply by 15. So 16 times 15. Let's see here. 5 can go into 6 30 times. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Second row add a 0. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. Should be 240. You're going to say 240 cups, which is great, but that's not what the question asks. The question says how many people can you serve? Each cup serves one person. So your answer should not say 240 cups. It should say 240 people, because you are serving people here. Look at that nice little trick question there at the end. Alright, number 8. One of the largest watermelons ever grown weighs about 0.75 tons. How many kilograms did the watermelon weigh? And it gives us some nice stuff here. 1 ton is approximately 907.2 kilograms. So again, we're comparing tons to kilograms. So 1 ton is 907.2 kilograms. But we're going 0.75 tons. Well, to get from 1 to 907.2, you multiply by, by 907.2. So you take the 0.75 and you multiply it by 907.2. So let's do that math right over here. Notice how I did not line up my decimals like on the first, back to the first 6 weeks of the school year. Move your decimal to the back, so that's 1 movement. Move your decimal to the back here, that's 2 movements, so that's a total of 3 movements. Now let's just do our normal multiplying. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 1 is 36. 5 times 0 is 0. Plus 3 is 3. 5 times 9 is 45. Second row, add a 0. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 1 is 50. 7 times 0 is 0. Plus 5 is 5. And 7 times 9 is 63. Let's add straight down. You should get 680400, but I have to move my decimal back 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So your final answer should be 680.4 kilograms. Look at that one, not too bad. Look how nice and easy this is when you set up a one chart. Look how easy that work is. And now let's look at number 9, the last one. One of the world's narrowest electric vehicles is about 1.08 meters wide. How wide is the vehicle in feet? It gives us our nice little conversion here. 1 foot is approximately 0.30 meters. So here we go. We have feet and we have meters. 1 foot is 0.30 meters. Well, we're going 1.08 meters. Ooh, so let's see if we can find a good scale factor here. Well, does anyone see a good scale factor here? I don't see a very good scale factor here. Let's see. We could just go ahead and go from, to get from 1 to 0.30, what did you multiply by? There you go. You multiply by 0.30. But look at here. We're going the opposite direction. From here to here, you multiplied by 0.30. Now we're going the opposite direction, so you have to divide by 0.30. Okay, notice I took out the 0 and just made it 0.3. It's the same thing. Do I have a decimal to kick the ball to the wall? Yes, I do. It takes 1 kick. So kick it 1 time in here and move it up. How many times can 3 go into 10? It can go in there 3 times. How many times can 3 go into 18? 6 times. So your answer is 3.6 feet. There's your answer. Again, I cannot emphasize enough setting up one charts, especially with these conversions. It makes it so much easier. Alright guys, I'm going to make a whole bunch more videos. Make sure you watch them and study. This test is going to be very hard on Friday. All right, have a good one.